How to set password on Instagram app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings if there is an built-in app lock in your device. So simply go to the search bar and then search for app lock. If you have the app lock, that's good for you. You can use that to lock any app including Instagram. But if not, simply go to your Play Store and then install any of the app lock. Install it in your phone, and using this app, you will be able to lock any of the applications you want in your device. So that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.